Hey everybody, so for today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this really cool braided bun updo. As for my hair starting out, I did my heat-free stretching method to make it more manageable, and I'll link the video showing how I do that below. Next, I'm going to take my flat iron and use that to quickly pass through my hair. Now, you really don't have to use heat for this. This step is completely optional, but for this style, I wanted it to be pretty sleek, so that's why I decided to straighten out my hair a bit. So I'm taking medium sections and doing one smooth pass, which took me about 10 minutes to do my entire head. All right, now I'm ready to begin the style. First thing I'm gonna do is make a braid on the side of my head going upwards towards my crown. So I'm making a part starting right at the top of my ear, going up in a slight diagonal. Then I'm making a parallel part about 3/4 of an inch in front of that one. And once that section is parted, I'm applying a little gel right at the edge, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the braid. After that, I did the exact same thing on the other side of my head, just made an identical braid going upwards. Now brush all of the hair up to make a high ponytail. A tad bit of gel to get the back smooth. Also all around my front perimeter. Then put it all up into a ponytail. With this loose hair, I'm going to twist that all the way down. And then I'm going to wrap it around itself as tight as I can get it and secure it with a few bobby pins. So I'm going to go back and apply just a little more gel around the front of my head so I can shape and smooth my edges. Tie the hair down with a scarf so everything sets flat and in place. And now I'm going to add in some of this braiding hair to make the bun. I'm going to just be using 1 pack of this, and the braiding hair comes with a rubber band attached, as you can see. So using that rubber band, I'm hooking that onto my pre-made bun. Now I'm separating about 1/4 of the hair from the rest. I'm going to set that small section to the side for now. And with the larger section, I'm going to split that in half and make a twist. Secure the end of the twist with a rubber band, and I'm shaking it out to loosen it up a bit. Then I'm going to wrap it all around, covering up my real bun so it looks like a rope top knot. And pin the end of the twist to my head to secure it. All right, back to the smaller section. With this hair, I'm going to be making 3 plaits. So I'm separating it into 3 equal parts, and I'm going to plait each one all the way down. So all three are done, and now I'm going to take each one and wrap it around the twisted bun. For this, I don't really have a set way to wrap it. I'm just crisscrossing it and playing around with the placement and pretty much just going by whatever I think looks nice. Once each plait is in place, pin the end down with some bobby pins, and I'm also pinning it down in a few other spots so it doesn't lift or move. Last step is to jazz this bun up even more. So I'm using these gold hair rings for that. All you do with these is open them up, then clamp them all around the bun. And I'm just placing mine randomly over the plaited pieces. And once you remove the scarf, this is the finished look. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like the style, and I'll catch you soon on my next one. Bye.